Urhobo ya
Hello, my dear grown-up family. It is another day to learn our mother tongue. Today, we shall look at the rules governing nouns in Urhobo. In Urhobo, all nouns must start with a vowel. That's the rule. Let's look at some examples. Ode means name. It starts with O, a vowel. Oma means health. It starts with O, a vowel. Ogogoni means lizard. It also starts with O. Enya means saliva. It starts with A. Oro means gold. It starts with O. Oto means earth. Again, it starts with a vowel. If it's a noun in Urhobo, it must start with a vowel, unless it is a borrowed word, which then makes it not part of our vocabulary. Can you think of another Urhobo noun that starts with a vowel? Share it in the comments.
Urhobo